Can you see yourself in the 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD? The Silverado 2500 HD rises to the challenge with heavy-duty power, rugged strength, advanced towing technology, a luxurious and well-equipped cabin, and the latest safety and connectivity features. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, premium sound system, satellite radio, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, off-road suspension, electronic stability control, alarm. Don't you deserve a truck you can depend on when the going gets tough? Drive the Silverado 2500 HD.